Okay, let's get down, secure a spot for the last stop of today. First time to head back home. The Batcave, which has nothing to do with Batman to do. Nothing with Batman to do, but yeah. Let's head down. Hi, Kun. Okay. I'll get on.
We'll see how that one will go, huh?
We'll see how this will go. Bye, little monkey. Hope the brakes are good.
So far it seems fine. Wow, so many monkeys.
Yeah. Bye, monkeys. Oh, you're a cute one.
They make cute sounds.
Yeah, they really do.
Yeah, it died.
Died again.
Every time I drive over like a bump or something.
Shit.
We'll see.
We'll see.
I don't trust this one at all.
We'll see if we get home tonight. Scooter just died on us, downhill even. That's never a good sign. It doesn't start. Shit. Goes? Okay.
Let's try.
Let's go.
You on?
Yeah. We don't need an engine to go downhill, huh?
No. Yeah, I think the scooter thought the same.
Shit. This is gotta be a bad ending to the day. Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Or maybe this is a huge Buddha. Wow. I don't know.
Yeah, look, here.
Is this the back spot? Maybe.
Yeah. We just need to spot the park, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe here to the right?
Maybe. Because
Or maybe here.
Google said it's on the other side of the mountain.
Huh.
We'll see.
Is this the Batcave?
So that's where we'll see the bats? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Shocking.
Yeah, shocking. What? Sit over there. It's free. Ah, perfect. Okay.
Okay, I'll park here, huh?
Yes. Wow, yeah, I guess that's the cave up there, huh?
So, is it better to sit in the further back, actually?
Probably, yeah.
You need your hat?
Yes, I prefer that. I don't know how sunny it is anymore.
I got the key, don't worry. Should I take my shirt? I don't
It's
think
up
I
to
need
you.
it, but...
Okay,
Okay.
let's
Okay.
sit down. Hope it's gonna be worth it. The scooter was working now that we're down again at least. Seems like as long as we give gas, it doesn't stop.
Yeah, the problem seems to be
When it's just running, you know, it dies. No, it shouldn't be like that. This is it. Yeah, where do you want to sit? Where is the best spot? Here or maybe over there?
So there's the time.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Okay. Let's sit down and hope for a nice show. Still some time until should start going out, but I think you can already hear them.
Oh wow.
That's cool. That's very cool.
You wanna have a drink?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, one cold drink, beer, one coca, one coconut, one coca zero, Coca-Cola.
How much is one Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola, they one lap of one cola.
$1 for Coca-Cola. Okay.
Sprite.
And
Cool coca?
one cola, one Sprite.
Yeah.
$2. Do you have it? Or
Yes.
yeah, perfect.
Well, we got
Cambodian cash.
yeah.
8,000. Okay, let's hope for a nice show later. I don't know exactly when it starts.
8,000, right?
Yeah, 8,000.
So it's like a first time.
Yeah. See you guys later.
You can hear them.
Yeah, it's crazy you can hear them. And so it's starting to get full around the tables around here.
Yeah. Not only around here, everything is
Absolutely full. People are now standing.
open back.
Yeah, over there as well. Yeah. We're all just waiting for the stars of the show to make their entrance. And so it starts. Wow.
We're getting ready.
Yeah. There they go. Oh wow. It's like a smoke of them. Wow. That's crazy. I just go way over there. Wow.
She's trying to tell stop like anyone cares about that right now.
Wow, that's cool.
And look in the back.
Yeah, look at how they just fly and just disappear over the fields. It's like a dark smoke.
That's a nice look at sunset.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, there's so many. Wow. It's crazy. It's just wild. I've never seen anything like this.
No. I think I've filmed enough.
That's insane.
It doesn't stop. How many are in there?
I don't know.
They're so mini. I didn't know they were so small.
Crazy. That's like a smoke. And you just keep coming. This
Oh, they're trying changing
their path a little bit.
I didn't really expect anything of this, but this is so much cooler than I thought it would be.
Yeah, worth the wait.
Yeah. I thought it would be so much faster, you know, but it's kind of calming.
It's been going on for 4 minutes now, 4.5 minutes.
And every second there's like, I don't know how many coming up.
Yeah, hundreds.
Yeah.
Wow, it's...
I can't stop filming.
No, me neither. Me too. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I think this would be a good spot to end this video, huh?
I think so too.
With all these bats. Yeah, this was quite a day, huh?
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video and this video series, then please give a thumbs up. Write a nice comment, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Sorry, I'm not focused on you right now, the camera. I'm focused on... they're slowing down now, actually.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button anyway. And we're gonna hope...
Bye.
Goodbye. Let's hope that we don't have to keep filming and that our scooter takes us home. We'll see. If nothing comes after this, then the scooter took us home. That said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.